Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Sunday, 20th of March. And wow, what a time it is. What an amazing time it is for SLP. And I want to dive into the weekly time frame, guys. Here we are on the weekly. And to me, the weekly is super bullish, okay? The weekly time frame is showing that next week you're about to actually move to the upside for SLP, okay? So something is about to happen next week in the next 7 days. Yeah, we have 13 more hours to actually close this candlestick on the weekly and start a new week from Monday. Now what you see here is a reversal candlestick. These two can, when you see the red and next to it the green, like this. But the thing is that I want the green to actually close near the 175, which is actually maintaining right now pretty good. And you just want to close near the 175, and that's absolutely perfect, okay, based on the weekly. Now next week you could come a little bit down to the 170 and then boom, start to go to the upside, okay? That's something that is expected out of the price movement of SLP as well. But who knows, okay? Who knows? If you start to come down, and I'm going to tell you the level that you're going to take out. If you take out the 155, then that's it, guys. You're really gonna go down, okay? You're gonna start to push to the downside. But to me, all you did, guys, is once again on the daily time frame you broke the falling wedge, and the falling wedge technical target, of course, is above here to the 217. And all you're doing right now is you're just moving in a wavy form, okay? Make some green candles, some series of red, green, and green, just something like this, okay? So I'm not saying that it's absolutely negative at this point of time. We still have 13 more hours to close the candlesticks. So if you start to close near the 175, 176, 177, that's absolutely positive, and you're going to see this thing start to shoot to the upside as well on the weekly, okay? And you might have the whole of April start to pump to the upside. Who knows? You can have the whole April go absolutely bananas, okay, from there onwards, because we have been down for a long time. And as I said yesterday, I do believe that SLP is looking to go to this or the kind of pink line that I just draw, which is going to be the 0.05 in my opinion. So you can actually go from there to there, nearly 184% rise in SLP. This is something that I am looking forward to, and that would be amazing. That would be really good earning from SLP as well. So guys, if you want to learn trading the way I'm doing all this technical analysis, I do have the trade for you. It's really amazing, okay? It's just like watching Netflix, but the difference is that this is way more better than watching Netflix, because watching this you're going to be productive, you're going to be more wise in the future when trading, other than Facebook, which doesn't make you productive. It's the opposite. So do check it out. And to me, guys, I still see a reversal coming for SLP. I'm not actually in favor of SLP going to the downside. I don't see any bearish sentiment. It is what it is. It's actually good. It's still a good buy, still a good hold, and it's still a good entry point right now for the time that I'm speaking. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you with the next one. I love this.